Hey Marc and Mandy, it's Jamie Banfield, and we're down here at Tile Town. I want to show you guys a tile that I fell in love with. This here is Utah Glacier. This is a 12 by 24 porcelain tile that's been printed on by a high definition printer. These tiles are designed to look like natural stone, but the wear and tear of porcelain, so we're able to put these in wet zones. We don't have to seal them, and we don't have to worry about staining. We're seeing a wide range of textures running through this. So we've got a polished here, which is great for wall application, easy to clean. We've got a textured here, which is great for wet zones. And we've got a matte finish. Within this, the tiles are printed on to look like all kinds of stones, from marbles to travertines, and we're seeing a wide range of the patterns. So we're able to give that organic, natural look, like this here. This is the exact same tile, even looks completely different. I hope you guys fall in love with this tile just as much as I did.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.